math class. Today we will learn the question number 2 of exercise 3.6. Okay, what is it? 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work and also that taken by one man alone. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन को हम लोग समझ लेते हैं. क्या बोल रहा है कि एक एम्ब्रॉयडरी वर्क है जो कढ़ाई होती है. कढ़ाई को जनरली महिलाएं ज्यादा अच्छे से कर पाती हैं, राइट. अब यहाँ पर कितने हैं? 2 women मतलब 2 महिलाएं और 5 men 5 पुरुष. ये 7 लोग मिलकर कितने दिन में काम को फिनिश कर रहे हैं? 4 दिन में. ठीक है, इन 4 days. अब एक बात हम समझ लेते हैं कि मान लो एक महिला x days में कंप्लीट करती है ना, एक दिन में पूरा कंप्लीट करती है. सपोज 5 days में कंप्लीट करती है ना. एक महिला 5 दिन में पूरा काम को कंप्लीट करती है ना, तो उसने एक दिन में कितना काम किया होगा? 1/5. ठीक है ना, 1/5, 1/5, 1/5, 1/5, 1/5. तब तो ये पूरा कंप्लीट हुआ. 5/5 टोटल वर्क 1 हो गया है ना. ओके, तो हमने क्या समझा कि यदि हम मान लेते हैं कि x डेज में ये कंप्लीट होता है काम, तो एक दिन का काम कितना होगा? 1/x. This concept is very necessary to understand why we take 1/x for 1 day. Okay, let's start. One woman finish the work in x days and one man finishes the work in y days. Then one woman can finish 1/x part of the work per day, isn't it? Per day. Similarly, and one man can finish 1/y part of the work per day, right? One woman 1/x काम करेगी एक दिन में. One man एक दिन में 1/y काम करेंगे. ठीक है, अब दोनों मिलकर कितना काम करेंगे एक दिन में? 1/x प्लस 1/i, राइट. लेकिन अब यहाँ पर कितना है? 2 women. तो 2 women one woman 1/x वर्क करती है, तो 2 women कितना वर्क करेंगे? 2/x, राइट. एंड व्हाट अबाउट 5 men? 5 men will work 5/y. And what about their work to be together? 2/x plus 5/y. Okay, according to the first condition. Okay, एक दिन का काम है ये. कितना दिन में कंप्लीट हो रहा है? 4 days में. ठीक है, 4 days में कंप्लीट हो रहा है काम. तो एक दिन का काम कितना है? ऑफ कोर्स 1/4. ये टोटल कितना हो गया 1/4। ठीक, ये कॉन्सेप्ट समझना बहुत जरूरी है बेटा, इसी पर आपको पूरा क्वेश्चन समझ में आ जाएगा। ओके, सो इफ वी consider 1/x equal to p and 1/y equal to q, then the equation would be 2p plus 5q equal to 1/4, and you can solve that. What about the second condition? According to the second condition, here 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Now it is very easy to frame the equation, isn't it? 3/3 x plus 6/y equal to what is 1/3. Okay. Equation 1 and this one is equation 2. Let 1/x equal to p and 1/y equal to q. Then equation 1 and equation 2 would be, इक्वेशन 1 और 2 क्या हो जाएगा? ठीक है, नेक्स्ट on solving this one we get multiply 4 by each term of this equation. 4 2 जा 8p plus 5 4 जा 20q equal to 1, and here 9p plus 3 6 जा 18q equal to 1. Okay, now let us consider this third equation and this one is fourth equation. Now you can solve these equations by any method, that is by elimination or by substitution or by cross multiplication method. Okay, let us apply elimination method. What should we do for elimination method? We have to multiply a 9 by each term of equation 3 and 8 by each term of equation 4. Okay, what you will get? What should we do now? We have to subtracting. On subtracting, right? Since we subtract, so we have to change the sign, right? What happened? 72p minus 72p cancelled, and here 180q minus 144q. What is the value? 36q equal to here 1. Then what about q? Q equal to 1/36. Q equal to 1/36, right? Now put the value of q in any equation. Suppose here we will get value of p. Okay. On putting the value of q in equation 4, we get what we will get? We get 8p plus 20q equal to 1. 8p implies is very necessary. 20 into 1 by 36 equal to 1. Okay. 8p plus 20/36 means 4 5 ja 4 9 ja 5/9 equal to 1. 8p equal to 1 minus 5 upon 9. That is 9 minus 5 upon 9. That is 4 upon 9. Right? P equal to 4 upon 9 into 8. 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja. That is 1 upon 18. Okay? P equal to 1 upon x. This implies x equal to 1 upon p. P equal to 1 upon 36. So 1 upon p equal to 36. Okay? And q equal to 1 upon y. So y equal to 1 upon q. This implies q equal to 1 upon 18. So 1 upon q equal to 18. So what is our answer? Our answer is x equal to 36 days and y equal to